Giant halfway. A little video. I saw somebody out on one of these the other day. Bit rare, you don't see many of them about, folding bikes. Anyway, the gentleman, he was probably, I don't know, 6'7", 6'8". He had his seat adjusted nicely with a quick release mechanism, but his handlebars were as low as this one, quite low down, and he was really, looked like he was struggling. Although probably aerodynamic position, so if you wanted to have a race, it'd be spot on. It's quite easy to adjust the height on these. A lot of people, like I say, I don't think they do because they don't think they realise they can. Most bikes, you adjust them with Allen key here. On this one, you don't. It's actually hiding in your folding mechanism. So under your handlebar folding mechanism, you'll see another little Allen screw down there. 6mm. If you have one here, just like any other bike, simple case of slackening that off and then adjusting. Usually a bit stiff because this one's a bit rusted up, it's never been touched in its life. Adjust it to the height you require. Remember, there is a marker on there which will say maximum. So when you come to refit, what I would do is just gently nip it up. Put your wheel in line with your frame, hold it with your legs. Make sure your handlebars are at right angles to your frame. And then fully tighten up the Allen screw, like so. Redo your mechanism. As you can see there, we've got probably an inch adjustment. There's probably about another inch left here. I think it's about 2–2.5 inches on these. One thing I would recommend is if you're going to do this, obviously clean off the rust, which I'll do later. But in the bottom, the thing that actually clamps is a cast iron little nut on these. Maybe take it out, make sure it's not rusted up, give it a clean, bit of grease, pop it back in, and away you go. So until next time, YouTubers, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, it'll be right.